Do you want to think like the Stoics in just 1 minute? Let's explore 10 timeless lessons from Epictetus, one of the greatest Greek philosophers. You cannot control the outside world, but you can always control how you respond to it. That choice is your true power. Real freedom is not found in wealth or status. It begins when you master your own thoughts and emotions. Pain and suffering don't come from events themselves. They come from the way we interpret and judge them. Life becomes lighter when you focus only on what is within your control and calmly accept what is not. Wealth is not measured by how much you own, but by how content you are with what you already have. Arguments with fools are endless. Sometimes silence is the strongest answer you can give. Every hardship you face is training, preparing your soul to become stronger. True education is not about collecting facts. It's about learning the art of living well. Happiness comes not from chasing more, but from needing less. And remember, a calm and steady mind is the strongest fortress against life's storms. Practice these lessons daily, and nothing can shake your spirit.